So we'll be doing a quick analysis on our pound JPY for this week, and let's check and see where our price will be moving for this week. Now, as you can see, those of you who have been following my video consistently would have seen where I've predicted where we are having this bullish move upward, and now when we start having this fall. So if you are following me, you would have seen it, and if not, I want you to just subscribe, like and share. Now, as you can see, for this week we will still be having a drop on our pound JPY, at least to this our key level here that I've just highlighted. You can see that our price reacted, they're giving us somehow like a resistance. We can also mark it as a resistance where our price reacted. As we can see that definitely as we're having a fall, we are having a fall to this our key level here, our key area here. We will be marking it. Then probably after that we hit this our key level, then we will be going bullish on our pound JPY for this week. So that's exactly what I wanted to watch. So let's analyze it on our weekly time frame. As you can see, weekly time frame, price hits this take out this liquidity area here. For the week past week, price take out this liquidity area here. Definitely we would want to be seeing a drop. Price hits this area here. I think when our price comes down to hit this key level area here that we just highlighted, at least we should be able to touch our moving average, 10 period moving average, as this is what I use to analyze my trade, 10 period moving average. After it touches it, it comes down, then definitely we can actually now get a bullish move on our pound JPY. But first of all, our pound JPY will be starting bearish before we start going bullish. Now on our 4-hour time frame, it has crossed over our 10 period moving average, which indicates a bearish move for us. As you can see now, definitely we're actually going to be having a little bit of retracement upward on our 4-hour time frame I'm analyzing, and then we'll actually get a drop on our 4-hour time frame. This is exactly how probably our price will be moving for this week. Multiple break of structure downward, hits this our key level area here, then we actually now start having this bullish move uptrend, bullish uptrend on our pound JPY for the week. So that's exactly what we're planning to trade. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel.